Hello everyone. Today I come with an unveiling. What do you call it? Unboxing. Something came from over the ocean. Let me just close the address and I'm going to show you my silver, what do they call it? Silver award. Sorry guys, it's hot. It's very hot. The summer has finally, December heat has finally shown its face and it's showing off. Okay, I'm going to open it. It seems so unreal because I started the channel last year, March, and was it last year, March? Yeah. And sorry, you know when it's so hot you get foggy, the brain gets foggy. Anyways, we're gonna open now. I won't keep you long. Wanted to share this with you because you all made this possible. All my followers, my subscribers, you made this possible. All your support, your views. And I also want to thank the people that follows me, my loyal supporters, for loving me, for just being me. That's the best gift ever. When people love you for you. They don't have an expectation. They're not judgmental. They accept you with flaws and all. That's the best. Van Ecke. I have many flaws. Many flaws. But every day, trying to get this open. Every day when I wake up, I tell myself, today I'm going to be better than yesterday. Ooh, Shanna. It was so hot last night. No one could sleep. So people's like, there's no one to help me. Ooh, okay, I get it. Be patient with me, guys. Oh, can I pull this out? Ik sweet so much. I am literally sweating. Oh my word, it came. This is a big achievement. You. There's a briefbook van YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wokiki, CEO, YouTube. Bliksem. Okay, that's amazing. Now what's this? Whoa. Okay, let's do this. Oh my word. I can't believe I have it. Look here, guys. Oh my word. It's like a real mirror because it's showing. Is my name is on it. Do you know how the importance of awarding someone with something like this or anything, and always making sure their name is on the award? Otherwise it just doesn't have the same effect. There's less meaning. Look at there. I'm in the I got it, guys. Hard work pays off. Don't give up always. That's my motto. Never give up. I'm not a giver upper. Oh my word. There it is. I'm so happy. Good news. So I share this good news with you guys, and I thank you so much for supporting me and loving me through it all, and everything I do on this channel, the videos I make, everything. When I get up early in the morning, it's for you. It's all for you. So yeah, we did it, guys. We got an award. The channel got an award. Okay, now I must figure out where I'm gonna put it. Hibu, that was cake. Dabu, somewhere there. And I always wondered, we're putting up this wood. Wonder what we're gonna put on there. And here it is, an opportunity to do so. I want to really say a big thank you, shukran, for my crew. I have a crew, guys. I have people that work for me. Shelly, Butahima, John works for me. Mishka that assists me when she can. She is the best. And my family that helps me also when I can't do stuff. They come immediately. My friends, my Facebook people, my Instagram people. Love you guys so much. We are all one family. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Everyone that's there, that's following me, we one big happy family. Okay? So here it is, guys. This is a sign. No? A sign. If wherever you're sitting, that anything is possible. You just put your mind to it and work hard. You persevere. Okay? Persevere. Love you guys. Love you. Bye.